What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I'm coming at you from Planet Hollywood in the fabulous Las Vegas. And stay tuned towards the end because I do have some, snapshots from the Miracle Mile right next door. There's so many things in there, so make sure you check that out too. This was one of their comped suites that they give you. We had enough points between me and my friends, so we were able to get it for free. Gotta love that. But I was so surprised how big it was, honestly. I wasn't expecting it to be this, ginormous. So check out this room. This was kind of like the living area. They have a seating area with a table. And then you have views of the Bellagio fountain out the window. We had a strip view. And scattered around the room, you'll see pictures of famous people like movie stars and musicians. So each room kind of has its own mix and match of different people. And I say rooms because this place has rooms. And Planet Hollywood is located right across from the Aria and Cosmopolitan. So as I said before, you're able to see a view of the fountains out the window. I'll show you that later. When I first opened this door, I thought that was the door to the bathroom. Little did I realize there's a whole hallway of doors. And it leads over to where the bedroom is located. And this bedroom is just as big as the living room. So this is a huge king bed. As you can see, you can fit plenty of people on there. There's a desk. There's two little lamp lights. There's a little seated area over by the window so you can watch the fountains. And this room also has a TV. So I like the idea that, one part of your crew can hang out in one room and the other part can hang out in the other room in case people come in later or earlier, whatever. I'll bring you back down the hallway to show you the bathroom over here. These are mostly just closet doors on the right-hand side. But check out this tub. I haven't seen a tub in a room in a long time because, most places are doing that weird half glass, half shower thing. And the toilet is in a separate room, so that's nice that you're able to, do your business while other people are getting ready in the mirror and everything. And then there's also the stand-up shower. But I thought it was funny because there's even a TV in the bathroom. And you know me, I love when a hotel room comes with robes. It's the best thing ever after you're out at the pool all day to just take a nap in a robe. So I love that this room had robes. And I'll take you back over to the window so you can see the fountains and what they look like. I love that we caught it at night because it always looks so cool out the window with all the lights and everything going on the Las Vegas Strip. Now I'm going to give you guys an idea of what's going on in the Miracle Mile shop. This is the best budget place ever. They've got $5 breakfast, unlimited mimosas. They have this larger-than-life showgirl randomly. There's all sorts of stuff going on over here. So here's a few of my highlights. La Salsa Cantina has 99-cent Bloody Marys. So this is a great wake up and have a great hangover breakfast spot. Like I said, Bloody Marys are only 99 cents. I don't know, it's hard to beat that, so I wanted to point that one out first. And by the way, you can find highlights like these in my shorts, so make sure you go over there and check out my shorts playlist for Vegas. Here's another go-to brunch spot. It's called Oceans, and you guys, this is so cheap here. There's always a line, but it does move really fast, so don't get intimidated by the line. But it's super cheap here, and their drink specials are one of the best on the Strip. Next up, we have the Tipsy Robot. Guys, this is an actual robot that will serve you a cocktail. It's so fun just to do it for the experience, and now with artificial intelligence like taking over, this is cooler than ever. If you're a sports fan, you're going to want to check out Blondie's. This place is filled with TVs, and they also have $5 shots, all sorts of drinks, $5 breakfast, and they also have unlimited mimosas. So make sure you check out Blondie's if you're with the girls and you want to watch a game. If you're a cereal lover, there is Cereal Killers right in here, and they serve all sorts of things with some of your favorite cereal. You could pose with some of your favorite characters. There's this cool backdrop, and they put cereal on everything. I took this footage during St. Patty's Day, but shopping over here is amazing. I mean, look at these club clothes. They have all sorts of fun things that you can only find in Vegas, and it's going to be super cheap here. So this is the best budget shopping on the Strip. That's going to be it for this video. If you want to check out more of my shorts with music and everything attached, check out this playlist here. Otherwise, if you're looking for more rooms on the Strip and more budget Las Vegas, check out this playlist, and also YouTube thinks you will like this video best, so make sure you click that one next. All right, see you there.